I think I'm going to rant on this one. Like, just imagine that your ancestors, or let's just say your father or your mother, bust their chops, sacrifice things over the years to provide it generations down and generations down for you, right? And a railroad or a highway decides that they want to come right up through your property. And let's just say, this is something that you all had in the family for a long time, and it just get taken from you. And again, I just did a video recently about this going on in Oklahoma for a turnpike. And it's not just Oklahoma, but it's also happening in Georgia, where a railroad wants to seize these individuals' land to put a railroad, through there. Yes, I understand that they might need a better route to get transportation from one point to the next, but to just forcefully take your stuff, that's crazy. Like, like that's wild. And here's the thing. Let's just say you don't have a price on it. It doesn't matter that you don't have a price on it. It doesn't matter that you don't want to sell it. So then what's the purpose of you having, property or an asset? Like, it's crazy, man. You know, real estate, could get a family from being poor to essentially being wealthy or rich, depending on how much they have or what it is. And you got a price on it, but you can't even put your price out there. That's not a democracy at that point. That's kind of like, that's not even, that's not even really capitalism in its best form. That's like a dictatorship, or like, forcing hand. And I think that's kind of why, some of us are maybe frustrated about, with the way the new administration may be doing things, which again, some things I agree with, some things I don't. But eminent domain, when someone just forcefully takes something or forcefully does something to you that you don't want done to you, like, that'll make that, hey, I'm not going. So like, I could expect some other people not to go. So some people just not gonna lay down and just take it. So um this is Terrence Brunson. Go ahead first. It's some individuals in Georgia, it's some families in Georgia that are, going through the process of eminent domain, trying to fight it, but there are, these railroads want to, go through where their land is located at. Again, Terrence Brunson reporting live. I do want to kind of follow this as well. I'll keep this kind of going as much as possible, and we'll follow up on this at a later date.